Thumbs up drivers behind the lines, please, in 3, 2, 1, go.
Match number 12 here in the lower bracket at BattleCry. We have Quarks and 1100 going up. Team Inconceivable Chop Chop and Eidos Dios doing the same for red. Inconceivable and Chop Chop going up one more time in Autonomous. Quarks and Inverse Polarity as well. Quarks also dislodging an algae from the reef in Autonomous. We have Eidos Dios going up into the barge for red. Team Inconceivable going up with a piece of coral onto the red reef as well. Quarks getting beached on a piece of algae, but that's all right. They have around 2 minutes to get off that and rejoin their alliance partners. Reinforcement looks to be trying to help their team member get off of that piece of algae, and they succeed. Back on the red alliance, we have Eidos Dios getting ready to remove that piece of algae from their reef. Inconceivable and Chop Chop cycling back and forth between their human player station and their reef. Inconceivable just about to fill that top shelf of the red reef. And up and in goes a piece of algae for the red barge reinforcement here. Algae in hand, trying to give another into their processor. Inverse Polarity and Quarks moving together in parallel, trying to score as much for their field as possible. The Blue Alliance is just missing 2 on the highest shelf to complete L4 of the reef. With around 1 minute left on the clock, our score is 142 to 112. Blue Alliance still has time to catch up in this game. We have all 3 of our red teams coming towards their reef, cycling back out again. Chop Chop and Inconceivable in sync. Reinforcements soaring up, riding the waves of the coral. We're coming back, Inverse Polarity and Quarks, putting pieces together on the field. With around 30 seconds left to go, Inconceivable is claiming that BattleCry dot early. They're telling Blue Alliance that dot is mine. Eidos Dios and Chop Chop's continuing to cycle. We have our blue team, Quarks and Reinforcement, going towards those deep cages for their barge. 1100 wants that dot. They want it bad. Eidos Dios and Chop Chop coming forward. Their barge and deep climbs as well. Quarks up in the air for the Blue Alliance. Eagles of Zeus up in the air. Chop Chop up in the air. There's still a pushing match in the middle for that BattleCry dot as time expires. We have your scores for match number 12 in the lower bracket. Taking the win is going to be the Red Alliance with a score of 219 to 176. Unfortunately, this means that our Blue Alliance will be leaving us for the rest of this evening. Let's give a round of applause to Alliance number 11 with our Alliance captain 1740, the Cyber Colonels. Team 11.